I wonder if I can ask for your, rude input. I've been talking about healing the last few days, right? I went to a course and felt burning in my hands and effect on day one. I believe this power is real, this force. And it made me think. I don't know if it's my thought or it was given to me. So when we think about healing, we think about health, mentally or physically, often, right? So what other areas could we use this force for, I wonder? What about the Great Barrier Reef? You know, it's sick. Could it work for that? Here's another one. Could I teach? I'm just thinking out loud and I'm asking for your input because I'm really thinking about this. Could a teacher start the lesson with an intention that the students learn as much as possible from this lesson and use the force for that? Or would that be in violation of doing healing or whatever you want to call it without permission? All I'm thinking is, it seems like we have a force accessible to us and very few people use it. So what could it be used for? If you just brainstorm and have an open mind, and you feel free to be skeptical, please do, that's good. But if you just go with it, what comes to mind? How can we benefit from this force? Of course, in a loving, high vibration way, because it seems like we're always connected to it. When I start the intention of healing, the burning in my hands begins immediately. So it's kind of waiting for you to give thumbs up and the green light. That's all you need to do. If you want to learn, just watch the 2 previous videos. It's in us. But we have free will, well, at least in many aspects. So we need to choose to use it, I think. I'm sure it does its thing without us knowing it, but yeah, what if we lived lives turned on? You know what I mean. What would be different then if we had and used this power, which is immediate and accessible all the time? What kind of world would that be? I cannot stop thinking about this. And I asked this teacher, can it be used to cure the Great Barrier Reef? And he said, yeah, sure. But, he said, you need to fix the leak. Meaning, there's a reason it's sick, right? There's a leak, meaning pollution. So, of course, otherwise it'll go back. We need to fix the pollution. The reef is, of course, just a symptom of the problem, which is pollution. I'm rambling on here, but I would really appreciate if you have any ideas, just comment them below or send me an email. I promise I will answer. This channel, that's a good thing about having a really small YouTube channel. It's easy to answer every question.